morning.
Morning.
I'm in a responsible class. I need to take a box sample from you today. Are you ready?
I don't like wool. Actually, find my textbook.
Okay, I'll try to make this process quiet as possible. Would you like to talk about something to disturb you?
Oh yeah, I love playing music and being a DJ on an online radio station. I play radio music and it's really fun.
That's great. I'll take your box sample now. Just look away and talk to me about your music.
Okay, so I've been a DJ for about 2 years now, and I built up pretty loyal following. I love seeing people dance and sing along to the song.
That's amazing, Eric. And I'm going to taking your box sample.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Jadi